Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. I am Varun Lamba, your personality development and soft skill trainer. Some of the most common head gestures and their meaning are likely to see in your day-to-day dealings with others. In this video, we will throw some more light on these gestures. Keep watching. In most cultures, the head nod is used to signify yes or agreement. It's a stunted form of bowing. The person symbolically goes to bow but stops short, resulting in a nod. Bowing is a submissive gesture, so the head nod shows we are going along with the other person's point of view. Research shows that people will talk 3 to 4 times more than usual when the listener nods their head using groups of 3 nods at regular intervals. The speed of the nod signals the patience or lack of patience of the listener. Slow nodding communicates that the listener is interested in what the speaker is saying, so give slow, deliberate clusters of 3 head nods when the other person is making a point. Fast nodding tells the speaker you have heard enough or that you want them to finish or give you a turn to speak. Research also indicates that the headshake, usually meaning no, may also be an inborn action, and evolutionary biologists believe that it's the first gesture humans learn as a child who has had enough to eat uses the headshake to reject attempts to spoon feed. When someone is trying to convince you, watch if they use the headshake gesture while saying they agree. The person who says, I can see your point of view, or while shaking his head from side to side, might sound convincing. But the headshake gesture signals a negative attitude, and you would be well advised to be skeptical about it. Head up is the position taken by the person who has a neutral attitude about what is being said. When the listener head is lifted high with the chin jutting forward, it signals superiority, fearlessness, or arrogance. Tilting the head to the side is a submission signal. The head tilt displays the vulnerable neck and makes a person appear smaller and more submissive. When you see an audience tilting their heads and leaning forward using hand to chin evaluation gesture, you are setting the point across. When you listen to others, use the head tilt and head nods, and the listener will begin to feel trusting towards you because you appear non-threatening. When the chin is down, it signals that a negative, judgmental, or aggressive attitude exists. Critical evaluation clusters are normally made with the head down. Raising the shoulders and pulling the head down between them lets a person protect the vulnerable neck and throat from injury. It's the cluster used when a person hears a loud bang behind them or if they think something will fall on them. When it's used in a personal context, it implies a submissive apology. It is also used by subordinates approaching superiors and reveals the status and power play between individuals. I hope you find this video helpful to make your life better than before. Thank you.